I'm Destiny Surveyor. Today I'll be doing a YouTube tutorial on this vacuum, this Hoover right here. I got it at Walmart for about $129 and we'll be demonstrating it today. One of the great things about this vacuum is you have no troubles or hassles with the cord. You can just pull it out to your desired length, and when you're done, all you have to do is rewind it right here. Isn't that great? Alright, let's go. Now I'm about to turn it on and get to vacuuming. One of the great things about this vacuum is it vacuums up all the dirt, grime, and it's also good if you have dogs. It removes all dog hair, and it's also good for cleaning out the cushions of your couches or your bed. My accompany Nikki over here pour a little bit of ketchup right here, and then I'm gonna vacuum it up. Come on out, Nikki, don't be shy. Cut. I will be demonstrating our Hoover vacuum versus the Eureka over here that Jackie said was top of the line and purchased for $46.83 on Walmart. Isn't that great? You just go over it once and it's all done. Now, Eureka over here and see how this one picks up. Vacuum, whether the quality or not. This still here has great quality as this $129 vacuum. Why is this working right now? We're gonna have to break this again. And that's all for my YouTube tutorial today. I'm Destiny Surveyor. Thanks.